Okay, so again, if you saw the last video, same story. These are our three choices. I have an X, which means SSS is out. I have, I don't know that these are parallel. I do have an angle for reflexive, but that means the AA is out. So now I have a side, an angle, and a side, and then a side, an angle, and a side. So it looks like SAS is again my only option. So this time angle C equals angle C, and I get to just say that because there's nothing else that can be confused by that. And that is reflexive, meaning it is shared, it is the same exact angle, not equal to another one like it was up here, but the same exact angle is equal to itself. So I got that one. I have 2 goes with 6. Make sure I'm comparing triangle to triangle. And 3 goes with 9. And my reason for both is corresponding ratios. And that's enough. I have triangle ACE is similar to triangle B goes with A, C, and then D goes with E. Then I can solve for X. So I would say 2, well, my ratio is 1 to 3, right, from my last 2. So 1 is to 3 as 2.5 is to X. So 2.5, excuse me, times 3 is 7.5. Why am I allowed to do that? Because similar triangles give me equal ratios. All right, let's look at our last one here. We don't have any sides, and I know it might seem like you do because of these guys here, but these aren't saying values for sides to have equal ratios. It's just giving a directionality. So I can't use anything with sides, which means AA is all I have to choose from. And you have options. You're going to have to say that these guys are parallel. So you're going to have to start off by indicating that you know that these things are parallel because that was given information based on the arrows. And you're going to need at least one angle from those. So you can choose to do A and D for alternate interior, and or you can choose to do B and E. I'm going to do A and D. Complete reason. And again, you could do these guys for the same exact reason. I'm going to switch it up and do verticals so I can have you guys practice and look at the idea you can't call it C equals C. Again, you want to talk about this one over here and this one over here, which means you need to be more specific. So ACB and DCE is fine as long as C is in the middle. And that is vertical angles are congruent. And that's enough for AA. Again, you can totally do another set of alternate interior if you want to. A goes with D. I have it marked on my diagram, so that makes it easier. B is the unmarked, goes with E. And then obviously C goes with C. And this one here was AA similarity. All right, let's go ahead and do our last one in here too. This one here, hopefully you can really see SSS is out of it. AA, you only have one A, so it's got to be SAS. So let's go ahead and do our 72 equals 72. If you wanted to say angle A equals angle F, that's totally fine too. And then I'm going to say 3, which is smaller than 5, goes with 6, which is smaller than 10. And then do the same. Using corresponding ratios. And then all 3 of these guys come in to say triangle ABC is similar to triangle A goes with F, B goes with E, and then D is our last one, and SAS triangle similarity.